Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss about what is C# variables. So as you can see here, C# variable is basically a memory location declared during the declaration of any variable name. That means it is basically a name which we give to a memory location. Okay, we can also say it is symbol to identify a particular memory location, or we can also say it like it is a container for storing the data values. Okay, and containers could have multiple types. Okay, or we can say variables could have many types. So here are the type of variables. So the first type is integral type of variable. In integral type of variable, it comes as byte, short, ushort, int, uint, char, byte, long, ulong, and short. Okay, so in the same way, boolean comes into true, false, or any particular assigned value in a variable is also treated as true, or if the value is unassigned, then it will be, or null, then it will be treated as false. Or in the same way, we are also having a decimal type of variable, floating point type of variable. In floating point, we are having two type of variable, float and double. Okay, and again the last and the least, the variable is nullable type. Okay, so now we will have a look how we can declare or define a variable. So there are some set of rules which we are going to see in this slide. So here you can see variable name can have alphabet, digit, and underscore. That means we can create a variable name with like using these three things: alphabets, digits, and underscore. Okay, so the second rule is like a variable name can start with either alphabet or using underscore only. Okay, so it is also having a rule like white spaces or white space is not allowed in a variable name, or it must not have any reserved keyword which is already present in the C# language. The reserved keyword could have like class, struct, float, int, or uint, or byte, or anything which is reserved in the C# language. First, we can see here the syntax of variable declaration is variable type. Variable type is defined as like variable type, then we need to put the name of the variable like variable 1, 2, 3, and so on. So here in example we can understand like in int I and j. That means here we have declared two variable. One is going to be named as I and second is going to be named as j, and here we are reserving the two memory of type int. Okay, and in the same way the next variable is float. Here you can see we have like declared the two different name of variable or initialized variable. So one is simple alphabet and second is starting with underscore. And in the third example you can see here char 1. That means in the char 1 we are going to assign a value o, and in char 2 we are going to assign value k. So it is only single character. Okay, so in the same way we are going to assign the long and the double keyword, sorry, double variable. Okay, so now it's time to get to know the memory size of a variable which may take them which will be reserved or taken by the variable. Okay, so here if to know this we need to move to Visual Studio, and here you can see the type of variables and its memory size. So here I have written a code here to know the memory size taken by the different kind of variables. So let me run this program first. It's simple console application, so we need to wait for the completion of this build. Okay, so here we go, and here we can see. Okay, so here you can see variable memory size, which is as byte is taking 1 byte and byte is also taking 1 byte of memory, and in the same way ushort is taking 2 byte of memory and int is taking 4 byte of memory. In the same way float is also taking 4 byte of memory, that means 32 bit. Okay, 4 byte that means 32 bit, and 1 byte that means 8 bit. Okay, and in the same way ulong decimal is taking 16 byte and long is taking 8 byte. Okay, and short is taking 2 byte and bool is taking also 1 byte, only 1 byte. Okay, so in like this, like we are reserving the memories in our memories in the memory using the variable. Okay, so now we are done with the variables in C#. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions or doubts in the comment section below. Thank you.